What's the meaning of chatter? Chatter. Chatter.
Chatter. Chatter. Chatter can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a rapid and continuous exchange of casual or idle talk. It can also refer to a rapid series of sharp, high-pitched noises, such as teeth chattering from cold temperature or machine parts vibrating against each other. In the context of social media and online platforms, chatter is often used to describe the flurry of activity generated by users commenting, sharing, and reacting to posts and news. Overall, chatter implies a sense of constant and often meaningless or insignificant noise or activity.